Okay, students. Next, we have the topic finding the square root of a polynomial by division method. Okay, how to find the square root by the second method? It is division method. First, I am going to explain a number, how to do the long division method. A number for finding the square root. Okay, so I choose the number as 1764. How to find the square root of this number using the long division method? Can you recall that? So first you write the number. Okay, then you normally for the square root you have to choose two digits from right. Okay, so from right to two digits. Now we got the left hand two digits are 17. Okay, left hand may you get one or two digit. So what digit you get according to the arranging from the right hand you can choose. So we got 17. Now 17 is not perfect square, you know. So which is the nearest smallest perfect square number? Okay, which is the nearest smallest perfect square number? It is 16 that you write under this 17. Okay, what is the square root of 16? It is 4. So that you write in the dividend part and the quotient part. Are all clear? Now we can subtract. So 17 minus 16, 1. Then you choose this 164. Okay, 164. You can write this. Now you double the quotient. So double means 2 times the quotient. So 2 into 4, 8. Then which is the suitable number to write it here? Write it in the left of this 8 and right of the 8 and right of the 4. So quotient part and the new dividend. Which is a suitable number? So using that number you can write it, multiply and write here. If you are putting 1, okay, if you are putting 1, you will get 41 and here 81. So 1 into 1, then 1 into 8. Okay, 81 into 1, that is 81. It is not the nearest number of 164. Then we can choose this 82 into 2. Okay, near to the 8, right side of the 8, you are writing the number. That number you will write in the quotient. So using that number you have to multiply. So 82 into 82 is 164. So you got the exact number. Understood? In some situation you will not get exact, but you will get the nearest smallest number. That so suitable number we can choose it. Okay. Now we get the exact number. So we can write, since we are getting exact number, you will get the remainder 0. So we can say this number 1764 is a perfect square number. Okay, when the remainder is 0, it is a perfect square number. Understood? So in the quotient part you write 2 and the new dividend, right of the new dividend also you write 2. 82 into 2 is 164. We can write it under the divisor. So the remainder is 0. Okay, so the square root of 1764 is equal to the quotient part. It is 42. Are you all clear? Then you have to keep in mind when we are finding the square root of a polynomial by long division method. Okay, the same method when we are doing the square root for the polynomial, we must write the polynomial in the standard form. Okay, standard form means you have to arrange the degree in the descending or ascending order. Okay, so must arrange the polynomial, must write the polynomial in the standard form. Then you can start the long division method. Okay, are you all clear? So must you don't write in any other pattern the given way. You have to see the degree. You see the degree and write in the standard form and complete this. Okay.